Welcome to Techi. In this video we will see how to install Python on Windows Server. So let's go to the server and get started. Right now I am on a Windows Server 2025. Let's go to the internet. Just type the Python on Google and you will get the link for the Python website. Here is the website. If you click on this download, you will see the option like download for Windows, and the latest version of the Python is 3.14.0. I will click on download and this will get downloaded. If I open it, you can see that we have a exe file for the Python. Let me close this. Let's try to run the Python installer now. I will double click on this and here you can see the install Python or customize installation. Here we have these two checkboxes. So I will check this as use admin privileges when installing this and add Python to the path. This is necessary. Adding Python to the path environment variables that allow you to run Python scripts from any directory in your command line, and this is essential for seamless execution of Python commands and script. Now we will click on customize installation and here you have these optional features like document, pip, td, Python, test suite, PyLauncher. Make sure that these all are checked because pip is very important because it can download and install other Python packages. So make sure that all these are checked and click on next. And here I want to install the Python for all the users. So I will click on this install Python for all users and it will get installed on C program file Python. If you want to change it, you can change that. Let me click on install. It is getting installed and it will take a while. So now you can see the setup was successful. And here we have the option like disable path length limit. What does that mean? By default, Windows has maximum path length of 260 characters and that limit can affect our file names, folder names and deep folder structures. And this can cause errors like file name is too long. So what does the disable path length limit do? When you will disable this, it will edit the Windows registry value. It will allow paths longer than 260 characters. And this will affect your whole system, not just Python, but it is safe. And it is good to disable it because it will prevent the annoying errors during installs or build. It doesn't break normal apps and Windows fully supports it now. So let me click on disable path length limit and we'll click on close. So now the Python has been installed. So let's verify it now. We will open the command prompt and here I will just type the Python version and you can see the Python 3.14.0 is installed. And if you do not see that, that means you have not added Python to the path. So make sure when you install it, check that box like add Python to the path. Otherwise you will not see this. So this is how you can install Python on your Windows machine. I hope the video was informative. Let's meet in a next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.